The financial technology landscape is rapidly evolving. Fintech firms seek innovative solutions to stay ahead. Blackcoffer leads in this space. They offer cutting-edge IT consulting for fintech. Their expertise includes strategic planning and tech integration. Blackcoffer understands fintech challenges. They navigate API integrations, real-time data, and security. Their solutions address these needs. Blackcoffer empowers fintech firms to deliver exceptional experiences. Fintech firms operate in a highly competitive environment. They face numerous challenges in providing innovative solutions. Seamless API integration is a major hurdle. APIs are the backbone of fintech applications. Managing real-time data is another challenge. Security is paramount. User experience is crucial. Balancing innovation with compliance is essential. This is where Blackcoffer excels. Blackcoffer offers tailored IT consulting solutions for the fintech industry. They excel at API integration, ensuring smooth data flow between platforms. This helps fintech firms leverage various financial services. User experience is critical. They develop user-friendly interfaces using PIQT5. Blackcoffer excels in real-time data synchronization, using Django and PostgreSQL for high-volume data streams, providing real-time insights for informed decision-making. Section 4, the Blackcoffer advantage, delivering tangible benefits. Partnering with Blackcoffer brings numerous benefits to fintech firms. Their expertise in API integration translates into streamlined operations and enhanced functionality. By connecting various financial systems, Blackcoffer empowers fintech companies to offer a wider range of services. They help them to provide a more integrated and seamless user experience. Blackcoffer's focus on user-friendly interfaces significantly enhances the user experience. Intuitive designs and easy-to-navigate platforms lead to increased user engagement. They also contribute to higher customer satisfaction rates. In the competitive fintech landscape, a positive user experience is crucial for attracting and retaining customers. Security is a top priority for Blackcoffer. They implement robust security measures to protect sensitive financial data. This includes secure authentication protocols, data encryption, and regular security audits. Fintech firms can rest assured that their users' data is in safe hands. Section 5, a case in point interactive brokers API integration. A prime example of Blackcoffer's expertise is their work with the Interactive Brokers API. Interactive Brokers is a leading global brokerage firm that provides electronic trading platforms. Blackcoffer successfully integrated the Interactive Brokers API into a client's fintech application. This integration enabled the client to offer their users direct access to Interactive Brokers' trading platform. Users could view real-time market data, place trades, and manage their portfolios seamlessly. The integration also included a robust margin calculator. This provided users with accurate margin requirements for their trades. This helped them to make informed trading decisions. Blackcoffer's understanding of the complexities of the Interactive Brokers API was instrumental in the success of this project. Their ability to integrate the API seamlessly and securely greatly benefited the client. It enhanced the functionality and user experience of their fintech application. Section 6, Blackcoffer, a trusted partner in fintech innovation. In the rapidly evolving world of fintech, Blackcoffer has established itself as a trusted and reliable partner. Their deep understanding of the industry's unique challenges, combined with their technical expertise, makes them the ideal choice for fintech firms seeking to innovate. Blackcoffer's solutions extend beyond just technology. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific business objectives. They develop tailored solutions that align with those goals. Blackcoffer's commitment to delivering tangible results has earned them a stellar reputation in the fintech industry. As the fintech landscape continues to evolve, Blackcoffer remains at the forefront of innovation. Their dedication to providing cutting-edge solutions and their commitment to their clients' success makes them an invaluable partner. They empower fintech firms to navigate the complexities of the industry. Blackcoffer helps them to thrive in the digital age.